See,
Sorry.
I don't put
One evening, I stood in front of my kitchen, wondering what to cook. The sun had already gone down and everyone was quiet. Then I remembered the Kum Kum flour that had been in the house for almost a month. Kum Kum is cassava that has been fermented, dried under the sun and ground into powder. I decided to cook it with okra. So I added fish, seasoned cubes, and a few ingredients I had at home.
no, Miss Sally.
It has been long since I last prepared it. Kum Kum is not an easy food to prepare. If you don't stir it well, it forms lump.
I beg no, they make them. If you let me see on her face, then look at her face. See her face. See her face. See her own. And I use it to do that. Shift. Don't put sand. Don't put sand in my cockroach.
It grows, it sticks, and you need real strength to stir it.
Sorry. I like Kum Kum. I like Kum Kum.
You're good. Boy, you been a boy. good. Very good. Yeah. No, no cooking. Not cooking. Thank you for helping. Thank you for helping. Thank you for you don't help me. Very good. You want cooking? Wait. Okay, correct. Maggie, another person. One does. No, me want this now. Sure. It's fine. It's fine. Adam again. No, chop me done.
Give baby make it turn now. For waiting.
At the end, the kum kum was delicious. It didn't taste fresh, but it was better than going to bed hungry.
Yeah, mommy. I want to kum kum. Yes, so one pan they may even be.
Everyone was happy except one boy who couldn't eat okra because he's allergic.
Babe, you want to na concha or you want to na the one? Okay, ma chupa.
When they toss you, when they toss you, the only one chopper.
No chopper again, yeah. My eye did it red. Very good. Chopper again. One does. I don't really chopper. You say you want for me, man, the chopper. Don't enter my belly.
Yeah, they run.
You don't enter here, they hot. And I really hungry food and jam sense.
Sometimes, in hard times, we create something new, not because we planned it, but because we had no choice. And that's how we survive one pot at a time.